Hi, I'm Mark Watson. I'm product manager of Cincinnati Software Products, and this is Machine Help. This week's question is, how do I unfold a solid model from a solid model assembly? Well, actually, that's very simple. And this really pertains only to you that have the Cincinnati Unfolder module. So for those of you that do, remember you can launch your Unfolder from the Unfolder icon or from File, New CAD Part, and Convert Solid Model. So I'll launch the Unfolder here, and I'm going to navigate to a place where I've got an assembly here. And here's our model here. You can see it's a model of a stock car on a platform. And the solid model unfolder recognizes this as an assembly right off the bat. So if you can see up on the ribbon toolbar here, what we're looking at is an icon that notices it as an assembly. Well, if I click on that, it very easily separates all of the parts into individual parts. And let's take one of them and go all the way through to the BEN simulation software so that you can see how it interfaces. I'll click on this window, which is the window showing the platform or the stand. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to maximize that, and I'm going to apply tools to that. I'm going to give it a material, apply tools to it. And these are tools that we would use. And then I'm going to unfold it. And then when we unfold it, the new radii and the new blank size are applied. And then that brings us right back to the Cincinnati BEN simulation software. In fact, look at this. The tools are already placed in the BEN simulation software, ready for us to simulate and program this part graphically. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Machine Help content. See you next time.